Hi guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm really grateful. If you've made it all the way to episode 25, then oh my god, I don't know, I'm very much grateful. Yeah, so this is already in episode 25, we are left with 5 more designs to end season 1. So if you've not subscribed, make sure you do subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified the moment I upload the next episode. And let's dive right into it. Yeah, so I'm starting with 0.25 beading thread. I've cut about 200 centimeters and I'm using size 8 pearls. All the materials used will be in the description box with a link attached to them, so you can click on it and it will take you straight to the shop where you can get it from. That's on Amazon, and it adds no extra charge to your charges at all, so just feel free to purchase. I picked 5 on the thread. So I picked 5 pearls on the thread, and I'm going to cross thread with 1 pearl. So to get the ends to be the same, you put the 2 ends together and you pull the one you cross threaded with all the way down, and we have this nice circle forming. This is not new at all. If you've been following, you know we've done similar thing like this before. So I'm putting 2 on the left thread. Now we have 2 threads, so I'm putting 2 on the left thread, then 2 on the right thread, just like so, and I'm going to cross thread with 1. So just like that, then pass the other end through the same pearl, and this is what we have. We have 2 now. We are doing 10 of this, so let's try a couple of times and then we move on. So 2 on the left, 2 on the right, then we cross thread with 1. Just like so. It's very easy and very simple. So I'm sure you are going to get that through the next one. What do you think we are going to do? I'm sure you are saying 2 on the left, 2 on the right, then we cross thread with 1. Yeah, that's good. That's nice. Yeah, so that's basically what we are doing. Let's try it one more time, one last time, and then we do the rest of camera. So 2 on the left, 2 on the right. We put 1, and then you cross thread, just like so. Cross threading means the thread is passing through in the opposite direction. Yeah, so I went ahead to do the rest off camera, and to finish it, I'm putting 5 on the left, and I'm going to tie the 2 threads together, just like so. So you tie as much as you can so that your work will be more secured and firm.